we are going to see the problems on logarithmic series. If x lies between minus and 1 plus 1, then log of 1 plus x equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus etc. plus minus 1 the whole power n x power n by n. So this is the formula of log of 1 plus x. What is log of 1 minus x? In the place of x, just to replace minus x. So you'll get minus x square by 2. Here x alone you have to, so substitute x is equal to minus x the whole square will become x square only, so that we are having the same minus here. But substitute x is equal to minus x, you will get minus x the whole cube is minus x cube. So you are having minus x cube by 3 minus etc. Right? So since we are having all the minus terms, all terms are negative, just multiply this log of 1 minus x by minus. Okay. So when you multiply by minus, the right hand side will become plus. That is x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus etc. So mark the first equation as 1. This is one formula. And minus log of 1 minus x formula is all terms are plus. That is x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus etc. Mark this equation as 2. Just add the equations 1 and 2. So log of 1 plus x minus log of 1 minus x equal to, add the equations 1 and 2. So this minus alternative terms will get cancelled. That is minus x square by 2 plus x square by 2 will get cancelled. All the other terms, that is odd terms, will be remaining. That is 2x plus 2x cube by 3 plus 2x power 5 by 5 plus etc. Take 2 as a common term. You will get the terms as x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 plus etc. Right? So this is what we are having. But we know the formula log m minus log n equal to log m by n. So just to replace this formula here, log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So this is equal to 2 into the right hand side. So you can bring this 2 to the other side. So you will get 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x equal to x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 plus etc. Let us see a problem on logarithmic series now. Show that log root 12 equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 7 into 1 by 4 cube plus etc. Right? So what I am going to do is I am going to just multiply this, just expand the right hand side equation first. That is expand this 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 square. Okay. Again plus, just expand, multiply this 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 square. Again just multiply this 1 by 4 into, so already 4 can be written as 1 by 2 square the whole square plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 square the whole square. Similarly do the same procedure for all the other terms, right? So nextly what I am going to do is, so what we have is 1 plus 1 by 2. I am going to collect all the even terms first, then I am going to collect the odd terms. So I have put a tick mark here just to collect the even terms alone. That is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by 6 into 1 by 2 to the power 2 into 3 will become 6 plus etc. Now just to collect the odd terms together, right? So 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 7 into 1 by 2 power 6 plus etc. So this is what we have. Now I am going to replace this x 1 by 2 as x. Just to replace 1 by 2 as x in the given equation. That is what we have is, we have put a term 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 6. The same, just to replace 1 by 2 by x. So you will get 1 by 2 into x square, because we have 1 by 2 square, so x square plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 power 4, that can be written as x power 4 plus 1 by 6 into x power 6 plus etc. plus 1 by 3 into, so 1 by 2 square, so x square plus 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 power 4, that is x power 4. Similarly you have to write the next step, right? So now look at each term, look at each term of the first category. So you can take 1 by 2 as a common term here. So after taking 1 by 2 outside, you will get x square plus 1 by 2 x power, because you have taken 2 outside. So you will get 2 x power 4 plus 1 by 3 x power 6 plus etc. So this is what we have. Now look at the last term. So just to consider the remaining term given here, right? So what I am going to do is, I am going to multiply because we are having x square by 3, x power 4 by 5, x power 6 by 7. So, but we have in the formula as x cube by 3, x power 5 by 5. That is the formula we have. So for that purpose, I am just multiplying throughout by x. So since we are introducing a new term, so we have to multiply and divide by that term. So I am going to multiply by x and divide by x. So I am going to multiply by x here. So when you multiply, you will get x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 plus x power 7 by 7. So you have multiplied x. Now you have to divide. Okay. So I am dividing 1 by x also. So 1 by x into x plus x cube by 3 plus 1 by 5 x power 5 plus 1 by 7 x power 7 plus etc. Right. So this is what we get. But still we have, this is in the form of x square plus x power 4 by 2. Which means we have a formula of x square by 2, x power 3 by 3. That formula only we have. So here also I am going to do a simplification. I am going to replace x square by y. So you will get 1 by 2 into y plus y square, because x square we have replaced as y, right? So y square by 2 plus y cube by 3 plus etc. plus 1 by x into the other terms as it is I have written here. Okay, so 1 by 2 into, so look at now. So now this is in the form, we have a formula of the logarithmic series. Here all terms are plus, which means we have the formula, that is minus log of 1 minus 1 plus 1 by x into, again you have, look at now, we have x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5. So this is also we have a formula, right? At the last we have derived one formula, that is 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Just I am replacing this formula here, right? So that's all. Now we can replace all the values what you have taken at the earlier. So minus 1 by 2 I am taking outside, log of 1 minus y by y as x square plus 1 by 2x log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So our problem is not yet over. We have to replace x as 1 by 2 again, right? So wherever you have x, replace x by 1 by 2. So what you get? Minus 1 by 2 log of 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by, here you will get 1 by 2. X as replace x by 1 by 2 is, so that you will get 1 log of 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, right? Minus 1 by 2. After simplification, you get 4 minus 1 by 3. So they take the LCM 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, right? Plus 1 log of, so 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Okay. In the denominator, what you get? 1 minus half is half only. But in here you have a fraction by a fraction. So you can multiply the denominator fraction by its reciprocal. So 1 by 2 can be multiplied as 2 by 1 here, right? So just cancel 2 and 2. So you'll get 3, right? So minus 1 by 2 log 3 by 4 plus, I am going to multiply. So since we have 4 in the denominator, to do some changes, I am just going to multiply and divide by 2 here. So when you multiply and divide by 2, this is in the form of n log m, which can be written as log m power n. So you can take this as a power of 3, which can be written as log 3 square, right? So the same steps are remaining. Minus 1 by 2 log 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 log 9. Okay. So now you take 1 by 2 as a common term. So the remaining terms are log minus log 3 by 4 plus log 9. So 1 by 2 into, now this is in the form of log m minus log n. So we know the formula of log m minus log n, that is log m by n. So the formula is 9 by 3 by 4. Okay. So 3 by 4. So again you have a fraction in the denominator. So multiply with its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So when you simplify, 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, right? So this is the answer. So you can replace the formula of the power rule, that is n log m can be written as log m power n. So you can take this 1 by 2 as a power of 12. So power 12 power 1 by 2 can be written as root 12, right? So that is what given in the equation. This is your left hand side of the given equation. That's all. Next problem, show that log 10 equal to 3 log 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 3 1 by 4 cube, right? So you can take anything. So I'm going to take the right hand side. So right hand side I'm writing as it is. After that, so listen, so 3 log 2 plus log of, so this, look at this formula, this is in the form of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. Okay, x minus x square by 2 plus x square by 3. So this is in the form of log of 1 plus x. In the place of x we have 1 by 4. Just to replace that formula, so you will get log of 1 plus 1 by 4. So this is 5 by 4. Already we have 3 log 2. So by applying the power rule, you can write this as log 2 power 3. M log n can be written as log n power m plus log 5 minus log 4. You can apply the rule, that is log m by n equal to log m minus log n. So 2 cube is 8, log 8 plus log 5 minus log 4, right? So log 8, log m plus log n can be written as log mn. That is 8 into 5, that is 40 minus log 4. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n. So 40 by 4 equal to 10. So this is your left hand side. This is the answer for this problem. Next question is sum to infinity of the series x by 1 into 2 plus x square by 2 into 3 plus x cube by 3 into 4 plus etc. So this is the series given. So now we are going to find the sum of the series, right? Sum to, which means infinitely, the series is given up to infinity. So we have to sum the given series, right? So I cannot sum the series. So what I am going to do is I am going to find what is the nth term of the given series, right? So look at the first term, it is given as x power 1. Second term it is given as x power 2. So nth term will be in the form of x power n, that I have guessed. Similarly, you have to find out what is in the denominator. Look at the first term, 1 into 2. Second term is 2 into 3. So nth term will be in the form of n into n plus 1. So this is un. So un is x power n by n into n plus 1. Let S be the sum of the series. So sum of the series means what you have to do, you have to add all the terms from the beginning, that is u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus etc. Or this you can write as summation n is running from 1 to infinity un. Okay, so you can write any one of the form. Now summation, just replace un, summation un, that is x power n by n into n plus 1. Now we have a fraction here. So as usual, you have to split this as into partial fractions. So 1 by n into n plus 1 can be written as 1 by n plus a by n plus b by n plus 1. Just to take the LCM, so a into n plus 1 plus b into n equal to, otherwise you can write, I am writing one more step here, a into n plus 1 plus b into n divided by n into n plus 1. So now the denominator is same, so you can equate the numerator, that is a into n plus 1 plus bn equal to 1. So now you substitute n equal to say 0, so that you will get a term. So a term is 1. Similarly, substitute n equal to minus 1, you will get the b term. So now you replace this here. So 1 by n into n plus 1 equal to a. A is 1 by n and b is minus 1 by n plus 1. So replace now in the given series s, that is s is equal to summation. So we have splitted this 1 by n into n plus 1 as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1, right? So I have just splitted this given series. So we find out the answer separately for each term given. So I have considered the first series. Replace n is equal to 1, x power 1 by 1 plus x square by 2. When you substitute x is equal to 2, n equal to 2, you'll get x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus etc. What is this? Actually, this is the formula of minus log of 1 minus x. Similarly, consider summation n equal to 1 tends to infinity x power n by n plus 1. So substitute n equal to 1, what you get? X by 1 plus 1 is 2. Substitute x is equal to 2, you'll get x power 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is going like this. But we have x square, we have the formulas x square by 2, x power 3 by 3, x power 4 by 4. Which means one x is missing. So what I am going to do is I am going to multiply and divide by x. Just to multiply with the x now. So you will get x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x power 4 by 4. So now this is in the form of minus log of 1 minus x, but one x alone missing. So you can you can subtract that x. So which means you can write that as minus x. So now just to replace the answer in the formula, so s equal to summation value that we have found as minus log of 1 minus x. So next value is minus, already we have all the term as minus, so minus and minus will become plus. So plus 1 by x minus log of 1 minus x plus x by x we have, right? Simplify this step. So log 1 minus x is a common term. So what we have is 1 by x here. So log 1 minus x is common here. So remaining term is 1, and here we have 1 by x. So 1 by x minus 1 I am writing. After simplification it will become as 1. Okay, so log 1 minus x into 1 by x minus 1. So I am just writing in the order. First I am writing the constant plus I am writing this term first, that is take the LCM 1 minus x by x. So 1 minus x by x into log of 1 minus x. So this is the answer for this problem.